You have all the capabilities I'm looking for. You've worked on Smart Lead. Mail Lead is just as powerful. It's just not as easy to use, but you won't have a problem with that. And then really what I need is I need everything integrated. And then also we work with Walaxy, which is like Duck Soup or Hey, I forget all that. The LinkedIn automation programs. I mean, they're all pretty much the same. And I would imagine that you work with that. And so, yeah, I really want to make sure that your technical skills are there and that your project management skills are there, because technical, because you've got to set things up and set them up correctly. And then project management, because as you know, things break and you need to be able to think in the bigger capacity of what we're trying to accomplish. So why don't you talk to those two things?
Sure. So let me give you a little bit of background about myself. I'll put it down. I've been doing email marketing for the last 5, 6 years. I started on Upwork very recently. That's why I more email get to see now testimonials or videos over there. So when it comes to email marketing, I've used different kind of tools like Fabio, Mailchimp, Instantpay, Smarty. I'm familiar with setting a domain with Google Workspace or how to 365 with proper DNS like demarc they make your code to make sure your deliverability. I was so familiar with a different kind of lead paper like Apollo, Zoom, or D7 Finder. And once we have enough leads for our campaign, we should verify those leads before we upload them to the campaign.
And I do all that. I use Rion. Have you used that?
Yeah, I'm familiar with Rion, Minion Verifier. I use that app.
Yeah, a lot of people like Million Verifier. We use Rion. We have a special pricing with them.
That's great.
So I have some pretty big lists already that we just pulled off of PitchBook. If you're, which you know of, if you've worked with Apollo, you've probably worked with PitchBook.
To be honest, I never worked with it, but I only use Apollo for skipping these, not Cassini. I use Instantly, SmartNeed, other tool for sending these.
Right, Instantly is good. Yeah, we also have access on Seamless, which is similar. But they're all similar platforms. They'll do.
But Instantly basically has some extra features, like you can do syntax with the help of an AI.
So I use Spintex. I have a Spintex agent on ChatGPT that I could share. Yeah. So I mean, obviously you know what you're talking about, and we have most of the tools, and whatever we don't have, you'll figure out. Now, yeah.
Okay. So as I mentioned, once we have the verified list, then we will upload the list. And once you create the email account, so we have to warm them for minimum 2 weeks.
Yeah, they're already warm. They're already warmed.
And then we can start setting our emails. Now it comes to inbox management. Now, then what we have to do when someone responds back, he's interested or wants to know more, then there are a couple of ways we can take care of that. Once, maybe I can share the lead to your CRM. So you could have a CRM like Go High Level or HubSpot, and then you can take over. And the other thing is that we can reply the lead with your calendar link. We boom the meeting onto calendar directly.
Yeah.
That's another process we can do as well.
Right.
And there is another features on Instantly named as subsequence. So if a lead responds back, he or she is interested, then with subsequence will trigger and they will get automatic reply for instance.
Right.
Can it?
And Smartly just started doing that as well. I don't know if MailLead does or not. We use TidyCal, but it's the same as Calendly. We do have Go High Level accounts, but I really don't care for the platform. I used to use HubSpot, we thought we could switch to go high level. It's just, it's not very sophisticated. So I think we're going to switch to pipe drive, which they're all the same. And all the good ones are the same. I mean, it has all we can, make custom fields, and we can, create, custom columns for lead valuation, etc. Have you set up CRMs before?
I'm familiar with Bo High Level. I did up Bo High Level, but I never did pipe.
Well, that's okay. Maybe I can find somebody to help us with that, and then they can hand it over to you. I'll take a look at
I'm
it.
a quick learner. Like if you walk me through the process, if you just share a new video, then I can build that.
Okay.
I would like to know about your website, your niche, like what niche you are targeting.
Yours. Where's chat today? It's always on I mean, I'm on a million.
Even share in the Upwork chat.
Oh, so this is, yeah. Okay. So they only let you do certain things. I get that. I was like, why does this look so different? Hang on 1 second.
She shared two different websites.
I did. Yeah, but they do the same thing. But you might as well take a peek at both of them.
It's about investment.
Yes.
And you are getting the leads code of Holo?
Well, we have a lot of lead list access, but a lot of them come from PitchBook, which is it's just it's a more comprehensive version of Apollo. Just don't want to bring it up for you.
So right now you have 2,000 email accounts warmed up.
Yes. So about 400 of them are with on Google, and the rest are Outlook.
So maybe you're targeting to send lots of like a phone. How many you're targeting send per day?
We'll decide. I want multiple campaigns, so that's what I'm going to think about. While you go to sleep. I assume you're gonna. What hours do you work typically?
I'm okay with US time, so not a problem. So what I would suggest you to do, right? You can let me handle a couple of campaigns from the beginning. Once you think I'm capable of handling those campaigns, then you can start increasing the workload and working hour. That way, you can understand my capability.
Okay, works for me. Let's get started. And I believe that you can do it. So we'll get started. Okay. I've got to sit down today and kind of define what I want you to start with, and then we'll go from there. I'm going to give you access to an email account.
Yeah, sure. Once you send me the contract, then you can share the details in the chat, or you can also kick down my WhatsApp number. You can share the details on my WhatsApp as well.
Okay. Yeah. What's your WhatsApp number?
Yeah, it's +8.
Okay. And what do you like to be called?
Yeah, my short name is Vanir.
Monir. Okay, Monir. And I'm Joey, but you already knew that.
Nice to meet you. Okay, we look forward to for the text and the contract.
Okay.
Whenever you need me, just text me on WhatsApp.
Yeah, it'll be I'll do it sometime today, but later today. So we'll get started sometime in the next 24 hours. Okay?
Not a problem.
All right, perfect. Thank you.
Have a
Great.
great day. Bye-bye.